Hello everyone, in this video we will see Substack tutorial. Substack is a simple platform that lets you write and send out your email, newsletters, and even make money from it. To get started, go to substack.com and sign up with your email. Once you're in, you can create your publication by giving it a name, a description, and choosing a custom URL. After that, you can start writing your post using their easy editor, just like typing in a Word or Google Docs. You can choose to send your post as email to your subscribers or just publish them on your Substack website. Substack handles all the email stuff for you, no coding needed. You can add images, links, videos, and even audio if you want to do podcasts. It's great for writers, journalists, or anyone with ideas to share. You can set your newsletter to be free, or charge a monthly or yearly fee if you want to earn money. Substack takes a small cut if you go paid. You can also offer some posts for free and keep others just for subscribers. They give you tools to track how many people read your post, how many subscribe, and how your paid plans are doing. Managing subscribers is easy. You don't need to deal with tech or design, you just focus on writing. You can also import contacts if you already have a mailing list. Substack also has built-in comment section so you can talk with your readers. And everything works on mobile too, so you can publish and read on the go. In short, Substack is perfect for turning your write into a newsletter business or just for sharing your thought with the world. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.